All right, today's the start of my transformative 30-day challenge. You know, I kind of have this inflection point. I'm here in Florida. I'm not in the best shape of my life, to say the least. Definitely overweight, out of shape in many ways. And so I'm gonna change everything, from sleeping, from working out, from eating, mentally, everything. I'm gonna document the transformation. I don't have a game plan yet. For the course of the next 30 days, I'm gonna try different things, see what works, and hopefully find a routine that sticks. I'm gonna keep you guys updated on what's going on. But to kick things off, nice 7K run. Holy crap, it's hot, but at least I got it done, and all good. See you guys later. All right, so now we're here at West Delray Park. Donnie's taking me on the trail going on. We got some nice trails, great weather, and I haven't been mountain biking since I was a teenager. So excited to get going. Bikes are locked and loaded. I feel like if you're mountain biking, you gotta have a Wrangler. It's like part of the outfit. So I'm getting hooked up with a nice mountain bike. I want to feel really good and healthy, so I'm on the trail right now. This is me, nice water in the background. This is the bike. And yeah, part of the 30-day transformation is day 2, just trying to be a little bit healthy, a little bit fitter. And this is gonna be an awesome day on the trail. All right, bud. Let me see if I can handle it. All right. We'll see if I can shoot straight. But beautiful trail here. I can't. So this is the trail. I can't bike and shit. Like we're knee deep in the woods here. Beautiful old trees, but definitely getting very challenging. Definitely getting more challenging. So I'm gonna have to focus and go for it. And that's a wrap. Heading home. This place is gorgeous. It's really hard to see the beauty, but once you get inside, it is insane. Yeah, and that's a wrap. So really beautiful. I got a great workout, a lot of scares, a lot of close calls, roots and rocks and hills. But this is amazing. Definitely coming back here. Got to practice a bit more. West Delray Regional Park. You got a mountain bike here. Yeah, I shaved. Still day 2. Gonna try something big. Gonna try a long run, really long. How long? Don't know. Maybe 7K, maybe 8K. Could I do 9 or 10? I have no idea. I'm just gonna try, and I'm gonna be stronger from it. Let's go. Hey everyone, so this is day 3 of my crazy 30-day health challenge. Big focus that I'm trying to do is really drink more and stay hydrated. One of the things that I actually love, I've had this product before, I just rebought for this month, is LMNT's electrolyte drink mix. It's really solid, very salty, but you know, it's got sodium, potassium, magnesium. I love this for like post-workout, but also the fact that I just don't drink a lot during the day, so when I come home, I'm really thirsty, and this does it. So I got a whole bunch of the mango chili, but I also got a little sampler as well. The citrus, lemon habanero, which maybe I should have got a whole thing of that. Raspberry salt, not a big fan. The chocolate, also not a big fan. Raw, unflavored, and what's this other one? Orange salt, which I haven't tried. So it's really good, really easy. Basically, all you gotta do is mix it with water. So it's best with kind of, you know, in that 20 to 30 ounces of water. Otherwise, just a little too salty. If I use less, I just take half a pack at a time. But yeah, it's really awesome. And this is really gonna help the challenge. Decided to shave after a really arduous mountain bike ride, and then another like 6-7K kind of run walk. Body was really hurting, and so 2 mission critical products here. I needed to do an Epsom bath salt, Epsom bath rinse. I love Dr. Teals, the pink Himalayan salt. It helps when I've got sore muscles and everything. And then to complement that, I also use the Dr. Teals bubble bath wash. You put them together, you add the bubbles, you put on some great tunes, you take off your glasses, you relax, and I will see you later. There she is, Instagramming and driving our kids. And I'm doing the same. Hey guys! Hey guys! Alright, I'm a taxi driver today. Hey guys! Can you see my cargo? There we go! Guys, say hi! Guys having fun with Tata driving you?
Yeah.
So today I'm at Manatee Park in Fort Myers. I've never seen any manatees, and that statement will be true even after today, because there's just not really any manatees out right now. But still a beautiful park. Saw some other cool wildlife, but no manatees yet. There's still a couple places we're gonna look. Behind me is a beautiful sunset at Sanibel, just off the causeway here. Taking it in really quickly before we head back for dinner, but just beautiful in the water here. Perfect weather. Tons of people just watching the end.